Whether you're running a warehouse, a retail store, a supermarket, a library, or some other kind of business in which scanning items is an essential activity, you'll need good quality, reliable barcode scanners to get the job done. These scanners make it so simple to check inventory, track prices, and facilitate transactions with your customers or clients. However, there are lots of different barcode scanners out there, with all sorts of features and functions. Finding the right barcode scanner for your business can therefore be quite a tricky procedure for many people. In this guide, we'll take a look at some of the best scanners that money can buy right now, focusing on key factors that matter to you like the ease of use, value for money, and reliability. Hello my friends. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I recommend 5 best wireless barcode scanner 2022. Before you start, subscribe to the channel and press the like button to be up to date with all the news. Let's begin. Number 5 in our top is from the Tera brand. This heavy-duty barcode scanner is the newest model in the scanning market with its beautiful outlook and superior durability. When you need a quiet working environment, just set the volume off and the vibration function will let you know if a barcode is detected. This scanner works with Bluetooth and 2.4 GHz wireless. The transmission distance can be 100 m in barrier-free environment and 35 m in obstacles environment using 2.4G USB dongle. Superior recognition ability that can read even deformed barcodes, i.e. smudged, damaged, fuzzy, reflective barcodes. Don't forget to subscribe and like this video. We continue with the number 4 that is part of the NetumScan brand. NetumScan scanner can work via 2.4 GHz wireless plus USB 2.0 wired. It is compatible with Bluetooth as well. Large 2000 mAh built-in battery. Standby time is as long as 60 days, which allow you to scan barcode in every corner of your library and warehouse. Also, it can scan barcodes with a USB cable which will charge the scanner gun at the same time. Don't need driver. Manual scan and auto-sensing scan and continuous scan. 2 working mode, instant upload mode / storage mode. Scan and store barcodes, then update the data to your device when you come back entering the wireless transmission range. Sometimes the self-sensing scanning function is in the inactive stage. Please contact us and be at your service at any time. Number 3 in our top is from the Tera brand. Larger battery enables longer continuous usage and twice the standby time. With the unique battery indicator light showing the remaining battery level, no more low battery anxiety. The curved handle is extended and widened, with specially designed smooth and flat trigger for a better grip. The orange anti-shock silicone protective cover can prevent scratches and friction even when dropped from up to 6.56 feet. IP54 technology protects the wireless barcode scanner from dust. Plug and play with the USB receiver or the USB cable, no driver installation needed. Easy and quick to set up. Wireless transmission distance reaches up to 328 feet in barrier-free environment. Number 2 in our top is from the NADAMOO brand. Adopt advanced radio frequency wireless technology, single penetrates walls, ceilings, and floors more effectively. Compared to 2.4 GHz wireless scanner, our scanner has the advantage of strong signal and long transmission distance. One scanner only transmits barcode to one USB cradle. Several units can work independently with different computers in the same area. If you want to use them on multiple computers, each with own scanner and cradle, they won't interface with each other during work. Multiple scanners transmit barcode to one USB cradle. Ideal in warehouse when several people are scanning barcode to one computer. One USB Cradle can connect to 32 scanners at most. One scanner transmit barcode to multiple USB Cradle at a time, that will avoid duplication of effort and save time. One scanner can connect to 8 Cradle at most. The #1 product is part of the Tera brand. Lightning speed read rate coupled with a large depth of field means no more frustrating delays trying to get your scanner at just the right angle and distance. In addition to a sound and LED illumination, when a scan is successful, you will receive a tactile signal in the form of a mild vibration. Buzzer can be set to mute to allow for a quiet operation. Tera barcode scanner can work via 2.4 GHz wireless plus USB 2.0 wired. It is compatible with Bluetooth as well. Supports Windows and Mac OS, works with Word, Excel, Novell, and almost all common software. It is widely used in supermarkets, shopping malls, cosmetic stores, retail industry, postal industry, logistics, banks and medical institutions. Large 2000 mAh built-in battery. Standby time is as long as 60 days. Continuous scanning time can be up to 16.5 to 19.5 hours when fully charged. Worry-free on a single full charge. Which wireless barcode scanner would you like to buy at special price? Leave us a comment below. If you liked this video, don't forget to subscribe and like this video. See you soon. Bye.